Okay, so let's learn all about the Forex market. The foreign exchange market, more commonly known as the Forex market, is the largest financial market in the world. An estimated 6 trillion in currencies are traded daily in the Forex market. Unlike the stock market or the futures market, the Forex market is not traded on an exchange. The Forex market is a decentralized, over-the-counter market. The Forex market primarily consists of the world's largest banks quoting buy and sell prices for currencies based on anticipated currency movements taking place. They deal with each other constantly either on behalf of themselves or their customers, and by doing so, they create a market. This market is called the Forex spot market or interbank market. If you're not trading millions of dollars, you're classed as a retail investor. Retail investors can participate in this interbank market by opening a trading account with a Forex broker. Forex brokers provide you with buy and sell prices for currencies that are based on price quotes from the interbank market.